Today we're going to show you how to fix a headlight that is basically yellow and has, see little scratches, and it's got the yellow. We're going to show you how to fix that. What you're going to need is a bucket of water and 1500 grit, as well as 2000 grit. Soak it in the water for a long time so it's pliable and it won't leave any marks on the headlight. What you want to do is basically just sand out the yellow and the dullness. I'm using the 1500. I'm going to soak it back in more water. Go up here, start sanding out this yellow area. This is 1500. Don't go any coarser than that or you're going to leave marks. So that's done. I'll get a rag. So now I've got a rag. I've sanded it with the 1500. I'm going to dry it off. And then basically you can see that there's still a haze and minor scratches. So I'm going to go over it again, sanding it, and then after that I'll show you how to buff it. Okay, so we're back. I've got my buffer set up. I got wool on here. We're going to use, this is the Ultra Cut compound only because there was lots of scratches. We'll use that with the wool. Then I'll hit it with number 4 with the wool. And then once that's done, I'm going to use the blue foam with the number 4 to give it the polish it needs. Okay. Don't want too much on there. I'm going to put it at number 2 to start. Bring it up to 3. Give it a wipe with the cloth. Looking good already. Number 4. Wipe that off. This can be done on the car as well. I just happen to have the headlight off. Take off the wool pad, the foam, number 4 again. Made a fucking mess. And there you go. It's like new.